Hi guys, it's Neena. Welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to share my hijab story with all of you guys. It started when I was small. I was in 11th grade and I was a dancer. And I nobody literally could beat me in dance. I was always first in competition. I took classes and I was really famous back then. And in my school, you can ask anybody, I was the best dancer of all time. And I'm not really proud about saying these sentences to you guys because I know it really hurts now. But before, I was in all this music, dancing, singing. I guess I sang many songs. If that sentence is grammatically correct, and it was 12th grade. I just had to give my last second paper, and I was at that time I did used to pray. It's not that I did not pray at all. I used to pray, and I used to watch. I started watching lectures for women about Islam. And I remember it was 12th grade, last second BK paper, and one night before I was texting my friend, and I was like, you know what, I need to start wearing hijab. I just feel like wearing hijab, and I am so excited to do it, and I don't know how people are going to react. And she was like, you don't have to worry about how people are going to react. They're humans, they have the right to react. They are just going to be shook by it, but they will accept it after a few days or maybe even a month. And I was like, yes. And next day, it was my examination day, and I wore hijab. I wore it. Literally everybody was shocked, and they're like, Snap, why are you wearing hijab? Yeah, it looks cute on you, but you don't have to. And I did got a lot of positive response as well. 70% of people gave me positive response, but I still stuck by that 30 negative responses. And yes, it was difficult. To be honest, first day was really well, but as soon as the week passed on, more and more people saw me, and they got really triggered. They asked me questions. I was not comfortable, and I was not really that bold to answer at all. But I did started wearing hijab, and until date I never removed my hijab, and I'm really happy. And one more thing, as soon as I started wearing hijab, I did not quit dancing at all. I in fact took more classes of dance for about a month, and I continued dancing. I used to wear hijab and go to the class, then I used to remove my hijab and dance, and then I used to wear it again and come back home. And that really stuck me over there. I was not happy at all, I was not at peace. So after a month, I decided that I want to quit dancing as well, and I did. I did quit dancing, and then I took up job because it was vacations. I was free, and I know there were things that really bothered me. So I started going to work, and guess what? That work was a cafeteria. I was a receptionist over there. I could not wear hijab and work, so I did the same. I wore hijab. I used to go to work, remove my hijab, do my work, and then I used to come back. And that also sent me really sad because it's unfair, to be honest, and I know nobody was looking at me rather than my God, so I really felt bad. And then after a month, I quit the job again because of the religion reasons, and then I started making changes in my videos. I used to always wear musics on my video, but then I stopped using music at all and purely went with voiceovers, continued with the voiceover things, and I stopped including any music in my videos. And I know a lot of my friends have seen changes in my videos as well, but it is a good change, so they appreciated me again. And up till this day, I do go to job, but at my job place I do not have to remove my hijab. And currently I am a full time abaya girl because I always wear abaya whenever and wherever I go, I even go to college wearing abaya. And there are times where I remove my abaya at functions, but I make sure that my hijab is on, and even in my videos, I make sure that my hijab is on. Even if we go out for vacation, I always wear hijab out. So yeah, I just want to say that that one decision of mine changed my life. I'm so happy that I took that decision. That one short decision really brought forward me towards Islam, and also extras. Extras of watching lectures of women, extras of listening to surahs, extras of reciting more Quran, extras of praying nafils. These things really help me to have a straight path towards Islam, and I'm really happy now. Even though at that time when I was a dancer I had everything, something just did not felt right. I had everything. There were literally people calling out themselves my fans. I was famous back then, but I left everything only for the sake of my religion, and I'm really proud of myself. And any girl who watches this video and thinks that you want to change your life, then trust me, you can change your life. You just have to make quick decisions and stick up yourself for it. I hope that you guys enjoyed this video. If you did, then make sure to give a big thumbs up, subscribe, comment down below, and share if you like. And if you want to follow me on Instagram, then it's just at Snehamia with a single underscore. I love you guys so much. Stay connected with me. I will probably see you guys in my next video. Till that time, bye.